In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a keyframe point that you have already inserted. So say, for example, you set up your keyframe point, you have your moving text, and then there is a part that you want to remove. You want to remove one of these key points here. So you'll have to go back here, and you'll just have to find the keyframe point that you want to remove by moving the timeline here. So these diamond points here are your keyframe points, all right? This is the VN Editor app, by the way, if I didn't mention that. And you're gonna move the timeline to it. You'll notice when this white bar goes on the diamond here, this keyframe here will become a minus instead of a plus. So I'll move it. See how it's a minus now? And what you're gonna do now is tap on the icon itself. And that's gonna remove that point for you, okay? Then you can go back inside and then move the text or whatever it is that you're setting up for automatic keyframe movement on its own to the next point that you want it to be, okay? So maybe this was going up here, but instead I'm gonna have it go to my right instead now. So we'll go now, move it like this here, and I'm gonna place it back down here instead. That's gonna reinsert another keyframe point, creating a new set of keyframe points. You can go back and edit those, okay? So like and sub.